Hello guys. Let's see the market. New yesterday, no trade day here. It's amazing day on US 30. After 14 second, 8-second trade, 0.5%. Very nice. Oh, am I here? Let's say this price 52. It's somewhere here. 43. 50. 52. Okay. But I see nice potential sweep, Asian low. Nice support here. Let's see what we can do from this. Sometimes it's tighter. SRs aren't bad. Not as tighter, 7 pips. SR here. 15. 12. Okay. 2 minutes to open. Check the news. Yeah, 30 minutes. Manufacturing PME, service PME, composite PME. 2 medium and 1 low news. On Germany. After so same news, 2 horse for Euro, ECB president speak. Afternoon start just S&P, global service PME, manufacturing PME. It's a so same for every market today. I think Eurozone, Germany, and US, which can consume Dallas Fed. And the speculative position, I think it was Friday. Second Friday, something. It's okay, 33 seconds. Let's to see how to close in last 10 seconds. We will see how much big push will be here till now after open. I also recommend trade this sideways. Okay, we come down. We cut down. Oh, it's very nice pushing down. Just to see if break again the low of the same candle, because sweep this price. It's very nice. Now it's gonna happen. Flip up and grab this 10-50 pips, or we'll continue down. If you can continue down after big pullback and break down, it's the best opportunity. If you can flip, it's a very strong buy. But we have here EMA 50. Let's to see how to continue. Here you can sweep 10 pips Asian low and continue down. But no, just wait. If you're very fast, scalp here around 10 pips. It's okay, but you need to be very fast. Buy here can be so same fast. This is why I wait. If you can push down or the flip. It's a stress before news. Yes, it's okay. Starting to so pull back, push from pulls, but can flip. Yes, by the way, bull push, but not a knot. Okay, break again down. You can go for a sell. If not, we wait. No, 2 minutes. Two minutes, 10 seconds. Yes, you can scalp up, down, 15 pips. But it's a pure gambling. What a pullbacks make. You see, pushing down, pullback, pushing down, pullback, pushing down, pullback. You wanna play here a sell and here a buy? Okay, one pure gambling. Let's go. If you can close, good this candle. Can be break down for me. To be a next candle. Good sell. Or fully reject. And after we can check some buys. But here is a so wave. Can we push 15 pips? But I will be more clarifying with the sell. We'll see what making the last minute. We fully pull back or can leave the price down. And after making a week up, week down, break the Asian low. And grab this sweep price liquidity here, 30 pips. Okay, let's see how to close. Big pullback. Big down done, big up done. But it can be from here, very nice weak fill, 7 pips. If you want follow the same candle. But also recommend. Here same will hold on this strong support resistance. and we'll see. It's a Friday, guys. Don't force the things. If you 2.5% pass like me, don't need to force. If not clear, break up 3 days on GER40 for till now we have 4 day on GER40 and 3 day June. Okay, first week up, but I wait, break here. Now we have a till 50 pips. So something changed. 52 still. Don't trade the base on Emma 50. So baby girl, but checking the reaction mainly or the sweep. How long can be the sweep price? For me, must be the biggest confirmation if you can push down somewhere here. Still more seeing the south. Say why. Okay. You still don't feel this clear way here. It's very nice. First stage here, 25 pips, and after that. But we sweep almost Asian low. It's interesting if in a 22-second news it will be consolidating and my friends, banks and hedge funds were pushing now the money because what I see, pushing the money up, down, up, down. Just putting money on the market. Just after news, have what money manipulate. Yes, banks and hedge funds manipulating the market. I think in mean here people make a wick down after start to push up, take a buy, grab every buyers, and here, oh, it's going down. Make a wick up, wick down, and if some here, take a sell, and don't turn off in a 9 pips. Just grab it, 25 pips. Okay, last minute. Let's to see if can hold here or break up higher or pulling back the most of the candle like before. Okay, nice. Going to pull break up EMA 50. It's not a bad. Let's to check what we have here. Where can break up? If okay, EMA 50 sitting on sir. It's okay. And for next candle in 9 seconds, you can make a big down, start to push up. Again, also recommend for a weak fill. It's a nice 8 pips, but don't need 80% trades. If you can continue up, break up EMA 50. It's a nice potential buy. But we need to check how to react when to break. Maybe it's an easy break or not. Because can break up 1-2 times after pullback. This is why I most of time I wait 3 breakups. Enter on third. Set your risk like it's a Friday. If you are happy with your profits, decrease little. You make a smaller profit, or in case you hit a loss, don't over risk. Okay, 3.5 minutes and very nice pushing up. Okay, touching the EMA. Okay, first pullback. Big pullback after first. Okay, it's again zero after big pullback. Because you see, break this 1.5 pip and pull it back almost 10 pips. It's okay, this GER40 making, trying to copy US30, but can because of enough volume, but the moves not making US30 trying to copy.
James, are you leaving, huh?
Yeah,
Why do we
a
go
little
to
bit. Tacos.
Ah, nice.
Yeah, for a couple days.
Okay, you are seeing after this big push up, I don't planning sell here down. You see, the first 1.5 minutes so nice to push, and now struggling up down. Last 1 minute. It's not a bad, but we'll see how to close. Because if we close in a no-trade range, and the next candle can make a wick down here, somewhere higher, and break up again, the 150, it's a better. Or if break up in the last minute and make a wick down, and after start pushing up, it's so nice too. But if start to copy the first candle, it's not ideal. But we have 1 minute 40 seconds. Retested last SR here. This highs. This highs. Retested breakup in 15. Still on 52. It's like fixed 52.7 and we are in 52 nights. It's not so interesting. Just a more middle here. You know, this
For you, you come March. To see a little bit more, better weather.
Here.
Well, last year I was here.
See?
Very good lunch.
January 10th to like the 4th of April.
Okay, 36 seconds and again pull it back so much.
Yesterday, he forecast 7 millicam of rain, and it was 35-40, and mountains 100.
But this year I arrived on the 29th of October.
20 seconds.
Early November. It was great.
It's a crazy stress on the market because the news. And I don't need trade. This zone too close to Emma.
Yeah.
But we need this 1 month, we need this month.
The Asian high, it's okay.
Next month,
If you can
again,
make a wick up, so nice wick up like now. You after can push down and break. For the week feels 15 pips, not bad. Not 80%. We have still downtrend. Just trying to break the 150 and trying to accurate Asian high. And I don't need this sideways to trade.
James, this is yours.
Yeah.
Key, the key, or I don't give you.
Because here we sweep this price. It's very nice. If we can break down, we go hunt Asian low and over here. This price, 38 pips. Wow, very nice. It's a very nice target. Just only don't wanna break up or break down. And if you hunt these 5 pips, good luck. Bro. Sometimes you need to be extreme crazy fast, and sometimes you need to be have patient for the sideways and break SRs. Look what we do yesterday. Here was a so tight SR, uh, make a wick down, start to push it up. We take here we take a 20 pips. Yes, go 150 pips. So let's see, 200 pips from a breakout, but it's a thick scalping. You don't need 200 pips. If you have a big push, it's a helping for you clear, make a 20 pips in 8 seconds. I don't need more. If you think half percent, 1%, 10 to 20 pips, it's too low. So you're using a low life capital. You don't know about funded capital, and you don't have good risk management. I don't say it's for every people. Yesterday was extremely fast. I say for my students in my I think attitude, I will say, if you miss there the push 2 minutes still, but we're struggling on the middle. Sometimes you can enter here, 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 or here, but here it's just a static pullback, push up, pullback, push up. And if you enter on push up, and after pulling back 40 pips, the person in your account, good. Good luck if you don't turn off. Because these days, when we all push up 200 pips, it's not so often. And sometimes making a 100 and after 200 pullback. Look, if this will be hold here, like a 200 pips, you make a 400 after pulling back from a max 252 pips from your entry, 50 pips. If you risk 1% for 15 pips, it's a 4%, almost 5. Almost burned account on one trade because you already go. And here is the same. You need to wait if you break up or not. Again, in the last 20 seconds. Okay. Let's see how to close this candle. Because you see, down, pull back, down, up, pull back, up, pull back, open, up, pull back, here, till here, and again pull back. Now, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, now let's look how to break up here. If you can break up, or it's banks and hedge funds, they're putting out the money and don't care about other people's. And I don't will trade news in a 10 minutes. If you can break up this candle after being pushed down, it's a very nice, more deeper pullback than bigger push up. If you can flip, it's It's nothing because we haven't a week down. Week up at the open of the new candle. Okay, let's to see. Will we start pushing down so hard, or will we break up? One really nice, like a rubber effect, when break down again. Here, I clear away. Yeah. It can be tricky because in an 8.5 minute news, 7.5, 8.5, 8.5, 8 minutes. If you wanna take here rubber effect after breakdown, it can be very tricky. This is why I changed on this low the insert because I wanna see how go through this. And you see, just a breakdown and pull it back here inside this area. But here. Now it's flipping. It's still interesting if break up or not. If break up, flip now. You can break this area. It's a very nice opportunity. We have a 2.5 minutes. Next candle I don't break because it's the candle before news. And there, starting to manipulating. You see here, manipulated down, almost Asian high, manipulated up, almost EMA 15, manipulated up, break up EMA 15, after down, close it down, beat down, pushing up, again trying to hit EMA 15, again bounce on. Now it's a 1, 2, 3, fourth, trying in the last 1.5 minutes. See, like nothing. If you wanna can risk, but I don't so recommend in the last minute because in the last minute can pull back full candle. It's 15 pips, not so much, but not so light. We can check the next candle on the live and check news if will be intermediate react, but personally don't trade the news and candle before news because what I see here trying to sweep down all buyers here, trying to push the money from 4.5 trillion daily. Here pushed a lot of money. In a lot, it's a millions. And after news, so high chance to liquidate. Let's see. So just what making next candle. How will be market manipulated? Choose money. It's not manipulated exactly. It's pushed money. Week done, week up done. If you very wanna risk, you can still on this SR jump up because we made almost bullish hammer candle. It's a very nice showing to continuation up. But alone, it's not a signal to enter like a tick scalping. You can see. don't tap the last high and going down. This non-trade range area and this playing in the last 25 minutes. And if you want to trade from here, I have here for seeing what to do. You don't forget, if you have a funded account and you can trade these news and you open in the last 2 minutes, or you hold through news, or open or close 2 minutes before after news, you can crash the rules and don't lose the payout. And after, people saying this program doesn't work because doesn't pay out me because you crash the rules. Like in any financial product, it's an insurance, it's a invest, it's a whatever. People don't know the rules, what have worked, for what paying, and after asking from insurance money what haven't secured or paid or whatever. With a prop firm, it's the same. I listen every week something on this prop firm, what you see here. Oh, it doesn't pay out, my friends. Why? Oh, saying something wrong. Yeah. It's like on your job. Your job, it's going on to your job and do your job. And if you don't go into your job, you can't wait your salary. You'll be home, and at the end of month, you will ask your boss why don't send for your salary. Oh, it's a BS. Okay, to me it's coming. It can be interesting, but can react markets for the news and almost. What we have various 47, 47, 8 forecast. Actually, we don't have. So now, it's a forecast like strength. It's almost nothing. Interesting moves. That's why I say check the recaps or watch the live. Learn from no traders. Why I don't trade? Why if you enter, why you make a loss? Because you have a hot head. You need to trade. You emotional trader. You searching the trades at the market on a market aren't. Because you have a profit plan, you must make daily 0.5%, 1%, 5%, 10%, whatever crazy things. And after you're losing the money, till half of the week you have a 2.5% like me or whatever, and you burn full of your profit because you force, or you burn your account, or just a profit, or you just make a tiny loss. But why? Because you can control. Market mainly is not about the market, it's about you. You understand, you put on the market every your emotion. And the first, what do you need? Learn the risk management. After some strategy what works long term, have fixed rules, fixed confirmation. And after this, you need to learn when you enter. If you miss, let it flow. Maybe next time you will faster. You don't miss. but you follow the rules, the system. Because after no life, you are 30. So many times I read um, chat people's 10, 50, 10, 40, whatever pips, or in a USD or in a euro, writing the result. And some people's lost. Because you need to understand the system. You can't let here in a US30 double. I think when I saying I take a, don't say because some people taking now some trade. uh, was nothing big change after the news. Let's to check some data little green because we feel composite PME higher like previous and forecast. Service PME same. If you be push up, you understand you can trade on the live this now. There is a normal trade when you wanna, but after you need fast go in go out. If you want this break out, take 5 to 10 pips and go out because can be just taking out both the orders and now the beers closing the opposite. Both are holding, and now start to closing. You see, it's a flipping. Somewhere here, start to activate the cells, and we'll be maybe push down here, 25 pips. You see, we was here, and boom, 40 pips. This is why I don't trade the news. If it's a volume, you can take a better trend, like hunt the news, because you see the liquidity, but it's not a liquidity. It's a news push. You see, we have a green news, push it up, and now falling down the full. It's a one interesting after the news, we can break the Asian low, maybe for an intraday or scalp. That we will see. For me, it's okay. No trade day after 2.5% this week. We have still there US30 afternoon horse for me here in the island. We don't know where you are on the next island or wherever. What can I say recommend for you? But the last week, Friday, if you like your balance, it's a higher balance where you take out profits like withdrawal on live or funded account. Take a payout Friday. Don't try push a bigger payout. Show for my friends, family, for a social media. No one care. No one care and no one pay your bills. If you next week you burn your profit, burn your account, no one care. Like your a little higher payout. Nobody care. People's thinking, people's watching. People don't care. If you do some BS, Friday, it's a funny, not to forget. If you make a success, it's a so safe. Maybe success forgetting in a 3 second to 3 minutes. It's different if you paid out your challenge. If you have can request this Friday, if you can enjoy your weekend from this, save or invest or whatever, or you wanna flex with a higher payout certificate, and at the end after 2 weeks you don't get out nothing or lower, like you can be this Friday until Monday to get. Okay, it's very nice. Here you see the manipulation after the news. Why I don't trade the news? Because pushing up 20 pips and after pulling back 34 pips from here. It was a so fast boom. You don't take here 10 pips or some people entering here. Still pushing, going there. And book 47 pips. It's gonna be for you 3% or 3 times multiply if you risk some 1%, 10%, whatever, on your 15 pips. If you follow our system, SATS, STTS, that's working 5 plus. Yeah. Now STTS is just a crafted for a GER40. Something so not so same breakouts. Here mostly wait 2-3 breakouts. On GER30 pushing up, pulling back, and if nice volume, you need to move for a first break up. If it's a real breakup. Here you can't. But the 4 was it's the same. And we are same, not stupid trade. Truth news. At the show, I think last year when I was here on the island. How to trade if you want so crazy trade around news. You wait the push from the news. Wait the next candle. Not here. I think it's end of the candle. But yeah, last minute. But if the next candle can break the high of this candle, it's with the pips. Target the Asian high. And I say I don't tag it, and it's here. It's Asian high from here. Two free candle after news, it's okay again. I show same on S&P some news today. I show on this something 1 year back maybe S&P Global Composite PME, manufacturing PME, and service PME. This is same news, same day, other markets. Same I wait. I don't know. Check on TikTok or where I have saved. No. Make a bit down. It can break up. I don't will try it. If you wanna try it, here, look. Put here because I wanna see if bounce from here or not. If flip, because so many people going here, taking guesser here, just on these last 3 pips. After going up 3 pips, and boom. Let's see. I will continue. But it's opportunity. if don't break this level, don't break the EMA 15 today, you listen so often because we're flipping around. Okay, guys, in a second. Back soon. Okay, what's happening? Nothing? Okay. 1.5 minutes plus and nothing. Okay. Retesting the EMA 15, the SR, and after we can flip in a good time. You have 3 minutes, 2 minutes to trade and flip up. Can take a buy, the target 10, 15 pips. What is here? 10. Well, not looking bad, but no, not so good volume. By the way, the setup like me, missing for me to 80% confirmation, normally push up, not this struggling up, down, up, down, up, down on the last highs. 2 minutes. Maybe take it, don't take it. I don't know. I don't know because no volume. Wait, again, next can, again, next can on 1 minute 37 seconds. Not to miss first. 2-3 pips. Oh, but it's okay. Shanghai still 15 pips. It's coming the last minute. We are in a situation, we are on the live 33 minutes, post 5 minutes, almost 1 hour, and we're waiting like breakout for intraday. If one more candle can break up here, there's a Frankfurt high on this. I'm taking Frankfurt in my time when open 809. It's an Asian high. If you can break Asian high, you can check some intraday for 50 pips and break Asian high 50 pips with something around, I don't know. We'll see how to close this candle. 25 pips. Or target this high. Let's say 20 pips. And for Friday target is on it's okay, it's 400 pips. And here's this gap what we don't trade because don't film. But if go next week here, this gap 70 to 200 to all-time high to 400 pips almost. It's a very nice. I think I don't feel intraday in the last day of the week. losing the volume because liquidity grabbed here after news, up, down, liquidity, down, pulled back full liquidity, and now again starting the sideways what started.
Today. Yeah, it's gonna be a little warmer in California.
It's very nice and
Okay, it's going down. Battery, long life. I don't take on a cherry because I think will be faster because the news. But it's okay. Okay, finish this week. I so believe you made free trading day just on GER40. Same, almost 1.5%, and maybe with if you trade with us US30, 1 or 2% more. You get 6%, 1.4 and 1.2, and it's from a trading free day GER40 and free day US30. And we will see today if we will be forward. Maybe we made under 0.5%, and we close 3%, and we close back on 6%. It will be very nice. I said I targeting this month 6 to 7%, and this month finish next week. I think. Let me check. Yeah, it's a full week. 31 finish. It's a Saturday. Okay. We will see. We check end of the month. We check their goal or whatever. That's all. See you afternoon if you wanna. Bye bye.